This sponsored video is all about making the best tasting French fries with as little effort as possible. And I couldn't do it without my good friend right here, the Cosori air fryer, and with the help of, just some whatever bag of fries in the frozen section you got from your local grocery store. To start with, just push the button and turn it on. Lots of automatic settings will show up in the display. This one we're gonna use French fries, but before we go to the French fry, you wanna make sure to preheat your air fryer. So click on the preheat button, go ahead and do 400 for 5 minutes, hit the play button, and now it's off and running and getting hot to make those beautiful French fries. The countdown timer hit 0 and it's ready for your fries. We're gonna take the whole bag of fries. This whole bag of fries just goes right in. Okay, that sizzle. That means it's hot. Shake it up a little bit. So we have filled it about halfway. That's about as much fries as this store's bag will give you. About halfway. That you don't want to fill it too much, otherwise they all won't get crispy. Now we're going to put it back in. Push it on again. We're going to hit the fry button. Now it's going to set to 380 for 25. The fries that I'm using usually take a little more, so you can adjust that a bit. We're going to change not the temperature, but the time to 30 minutes. And then we're going to hit the play button, and now it's going to cook the fries. When it's gotten down to halfway through, about 15 minutes, it'll beep at you to remind you to shake up the basket. And we'll come back just before the 15-minute mark hits. The 15-minute mark is here. It's telling me to shake, shake, shake. So what do? One-hand operation, flip this cover forward, gets to the release button. Push that button down, and it releases the basket. All right, so once you see what the fries look like, starting a little golden, a little crisp, looking pretty good. But you know, the bottom fries are not as done as the top fries. See, those are more golden. So that's why you gotta shake. Get those top fries to the bottom, get those bottom fries to the top. And put it back in. It remembers where you left off, but it is not gonna beep at you again, not again. So you wanna remember in about 10 minutes or so, 8 minutes somewhere, we're gonna come back here and we're gonna shake them up, see how they're doing, and shake them up again and see if they're done yet. Do not just trust the 30 minutes. Do not trust the French fry timer. Open it, look at the fries, and see if they're ready. So we're here at the 8-minute mark. Let's take a look and see how they're doing. Pull it out, flip, open. You can see there's still a little bit of light color in the middle. We want that to darken up, nice crispy toasty brown. So they still need some time. So we're probably gonna let it go the last, get it down to 2 minutes left and see what they're doing then. We've hit the 2-minute mark. Let's take a look again, see if I need more time. So the edge ones are getting nice and really brown looking. The inside ones still a little undone. Give them a good shake, mix them up a bit. I think I want 4 more minutes on this. So once it stirs up again, hit the time temp and add 2 minutes. And now it's gonna be 4 minutes left, and that should be just enough time to finish those fries for me. When your timer's done, it beeps at you. So now you know why I wanted to add time before the timer ran out. If I didn't add time, it would stop and I'd have to set it up and hit power again and turn it on. Oh yeah, there are some really golden brown in here. There are some not so golden brown, but they are all looking very fine and tasty. Look at those. A beautiful bowl of unseasoned French fries. So let's get some seasoning on them. Like you're gonna want some salt. Add some pepper. So now with very little effort, I have this big bowl of tasty French fries seasoned with salt and pepper, whatever seasons you want to add. You can use ketchup as well. Let's see one of these really done ones. You can see that one's pretty done. See how it tastes. You hear that crunch? Not greasy at all. Amazing French fries that aren't very greasy, but still that crunchy French fry flavor. I could eat these all day. This one, still nice and brown. No, it's crunchy. Take a listen. Great fries, right at home. Don't have to buy them from the restaurant. Not super greasy, just full of flavor. And I couldn't have done without my friend, the Cosori air fryer. So good.